My dear brothers and sisters inside and outside Tibet, Tashi Delek, it's an honor and privilege to speak to you today about the importance of protecting our health and preserving our communities. We Tibetans are strong, united, and resourceful people. We tirelessly resist many threats to our language, culture, and heritage and strive to create a harmonious and peaceful community. One threat for which we haven't, until now, had the tools to resist is the growing risk of HIV in our community. This disease is deadly and it does not discriminate. It affects young and old, man and woman, rich and poor. It can also affect monks and nuns. It can ravage families, communities, and nations. There is no cure, but with the right knowledge, we can prevent HIV. Preventing the spread of this disease is among the most important action we can take to ensure that Tibetan people remain strong and resilient. This is an urgent imperative in protecting our health and a necessary step in preserving our community. We must also remain compassionate by understanding and removing the stigmas associated with this condition. Treating people living with HIV with care and respect is paramount. We are a dignified people, and HIV and AIDS must not change the way we relate to one another. Over the years, I have witnessed the critical role that effective education can play in addressing issues related to human health. With HIV in particular, education is a key component to curbing this epidemic. Today, I have a very special announcement to share. In order to effectively educate our people, the Department of Health of the Central Tibetan Administration is honored to have worked with teachers to develop special animated HIV education materials that are respectful of our Tibetan culture and language. Teachers is an award-winning organization that launched out of the prestigious Stanford University. They develop health education materials that are culturally sensitive and medically precise, while being simple enough to be understood by all segments of society. I have admired their materials and leadership for years, and I am immensely pleased that all this material will be made available also in Tibetan language for free. These health materials are the highest quality available anywhere in the world. They teach us about the virus and how it can be transmitted. They empower us with the knowledge we need to protect ourselves and our communities. They break the myths that feed the stigma of this disease. Over the coming months and years, the Department of Health of the Central Tibetan Administration will distribute more than 10,000 physical copies of these state-of-the-art materials to schools, universities, and health clinics. In particular, we will work tirelessly to ensure these materials reach Tibetan settlements and communities around the world. The materials will also be shown on Tibetan television for years to come, until together we have managed to overcome this infection. I wholeheartedly thank teachers and the countless other volunteers who have donated their precious time towards developing these wonderful materials. I am confident that with this resource, Tibetans will join together to prevent HIV in this generation and those that follow. To Tibetans around the world, I say, watch the video, interact with the software, learn how to protect yourself and your loved ones. I urge you to talk to your friends, your siblings, your parents, and your neighbors about HIV. The future of our culture and community rests with all of us. Together, we can stop the spread of HIV and AIDS. Thank you very much.